You hear it? You hear the birds?
What is it, Tai Tai? The bird?
I like this picture. Quedaron bien los todo.
The Barbarian.
Looks like it's hanging en el agua, un cocodrilo. En el agua un cocodrilo.
Yeah, I was trying to not get the background too much.
Yeah.
Para que luciera. And some of them you could see it looks really good.
Look, look. Mira esta que linda.
Mira, 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 baby, mira, baby.
Well, good afternoon, everybody. You guys ready for Wildlife Show?
Yes!
Well, that wasn't so bad. My name is Terry. I would like to welcome all of you here to Miami Metro Zoo and the Wildlife Show. And today, you guys are all going to get a closer look at some exotic animals that you probably have not seen while I've been visiting our zoo today. We do hope you leave here, of course, with a better understanding, we hope, and appreciation of all these animals. One thing, though, is important throughout the show, it is for everyone's safety. We do ask that everybody remain seated, and that's because animals in our wildlife show are trained, but it does not guarantee that any of them are tamed. And this is Calypso. Calypso, like I said, is just one of the many exotic animals you're going to meet here today. He's a hybrid macaw, and a hybrid macaw simply means that he is a cross between two different types of macaws. And he used to also be one of our free fly birds in our show. However, Calypso would like to take a lot of unauthorized trips around the zoo, you know what I mean? And one of his favorite places to land was over by the tiger exhibit. So before he became a tiger snack one day, we decided to ground him and change his routine, and now he's going to show off how well these macaws can climb. They have very powerful beaks that they use around the rainforest, and he has done a great job out here today. Please give him a big round of applause. I hope you guys are going to meet him.
Nice.
Well, you might be wondering if birds like Calypso can speak. All parrots have the capability of doing that, but some are a lot better at it than others. I'm going to introduce you to two of our talking Amazon parrots, Baby and Crash. And what they're going to do for you today is they're going to demonstrate their speaking abilities for you this afternoon. Baby. Alright, and they're very good at imitating sound. So what we're going to do is start off with Crash over here. So Crash, can you say hello? Hello. Very good. Hello. 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 How about a hi? Hi. Very nice. Hi. Hi. How about one more? Hi. Give Crash a big round of applause. That's a big hello and hi. Animals really do love the applause. It's your way of letting them know that they're doing a good job. So throughout the show today, if you happen to see something or hear anything like from the animals, you can have to cheer for them. Once again, and we'll let them know that they're doing a great job. Now, Baby and Crash can imitate some animal sounds for you. How about your worst enemy? How about kitty? No. Very sweet, kitty. No. Very good. No. And this is how Crash do it, kitty. Yeah, we tried to teach him how to do a big, ferocious, scary watchdog. But we'll be into that for you. It was a very mean and ferocious. She doesn't care what it is. How about a chihuahua? Very good. A chihuahua. Very good.
¿Qué es lo que está haciendo él?
And Crash is a favorite animal sound that he likes to imitate. How about a pig? How about a pig? Light reaction, baby. Okay, let's see. How about a pig? How about a pig? Very good. A pig. Very nice. Now, this is the oddest pig I've ever heard, but Crash used to really like it, and oftentimes he hears people laughing and he starts smiling, and he starts laughing too. Is that funny? Baby is very excited to be out here. All right, baby, can you do me a favor? Let's let's do some animal sounds. How about a duck? Lots of ducks today. And how about a sheep? And Crash just gave away the next one. How about
Rooster.
they don't even name it. It's a rooster. Two different roosters. Only parrots out here. Yeah. Alright, give them both a big hand. They have lots of personality. Alexi, how about the rooster's friend? How about the chicken? A big chicken. Very good. Baby also has a beautiful singing voice as well. Can you sing for everybody? Very nice. Very good. She can also sing a song that each and every one of us hears at least once a year, whether we want to or not. Can you sing Happy Birthday? There we go. Give her a big round of applause. Babies also picked up some other types of sound effects from us. As you guys can see, we do work outside in all sorts of weather conditions. So sometimes we get colds, we get allergies, and maybe learn how to sneeze. Can you sneeze? Very nice. And Mamie is also a great bird to have at your house if you have some dogs, because she knows how to help you call them in at night. Can you call the dogs? Call the dogs. Call the dogs. Very good. Call the dogs. Very nice. Good, very good, very good. And the reason why we call her baby, by the way, and parents would definitely appreciate this one, because even our baby knows how to cry. Give her a big round of applause. She did a great job. Also has a beautiful singing voice as well. He can actually sing some opera. Very good. Opera. Very nice. Opera. Now he's the next American Idol. Give him a big round of applause. And Crash actually likes to make up his own sounds occasionally. And this one he started making around Halloween time a few years ago. So we decided to call it a big scary monster. A monster! That's so scary for a small bird. And this next sound effect is what gave Crash his name, and a lot of people do think that it's kind of an odd name, but you'll see why. How about a bomb? It's a small little bomb. Let's see if we do that one more time. How about a bomb? A bomb. You know what, Crash's baby did a great job right here tonight. So before we go, give everybody here a kiss and how about a whistle? What do they say? Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
And now we're going to have another trainer come on here, and they're going to introduce you to our next animal, so please give them a nice warm welcome.